Welcome students. My name is Pratiksha Dabholkar, Assistant Professor in Botany from Ganpat Parsekar College of Education, Harman. Program Bachelor of Science 3rd year, Subject Botany, Semester 5, Course Code BOC 105, Course Title Classical Taxonomy and Phylogeny. Title of the unit: Systematic Diagnostic Features and Important Plants of the Family. Module name: Family Commelinaceae. This module focuses on the classification of the family Commelinaceae, diagnostic features of the family Commelinaceae, and important ornamental, economical, medicinal plants of the family Commelinaceae. By the end of this session, the student will be able to identify plants belonging to the family Commelinaceae, describe plants with diagnostic features, and list the ornamental or economical or medicinal plants of Commelinaceae. Systematic position of Commelinaceae. Division: phanerogams, meaning they bear seed-bearing plants. Class: monocotyledons. The leaves will have parallel venation. Flowers will be in multiples of 3, and embryo will consist of a single cotyledon. It belongs to the series Coronare and family Commelinaceae. Let us understand the diagnostic feature of this family. It is an erect or creeping herb of marshy places. When you can easily spot this plant along the roadside on marshy areas. When you see this plant, the leaves are simple. They are alternate. You can see one leaf is here and the other arrangement is here, and with a distinct sheathing base. So when you just pull this leaf, you will get a sheathing leaf base. The flowers is in a cyme inflorescence, often enclosed by a bracts or a leafy sheath. Perianth is 6. That is, outer whorl is 3 and inner whorl is 3. 3 sepals and 3 petals. Stamens are usually 6 in number, and a fruit of this family is a capsule. The habit of this family is they can be annual or perennial herbs. The leaves are radical or colline. They are exstipulated. They are alternate, spirally arranged, simple, ovate, parallel veined. You can see the parallel venation here. And they have a sheathing leaf base. The roots, when you see the roots, they are adventitious. Sometimes it can be fibrous and it can be tuberous also. The inflorescence is subtended by a spathe-like bract. You can see the spathe over here. This is the spathe. Flower is actinomorphic or zygomorphic depending on what plants we are learning. It can vary. Some species can be actinomorphic, some flowers can be actinomorphic or zygomorphic. They are bisexual, meaning male and female will be present on the same flower. They are trimerous, containing 3 sepals, 3 petals. They are hypogynous, flowers in cyme inflorescence, often enclosed by bracts or leafy sheath. Inflorescence is a uniparous cymose cluster arising in the axils of foliage leaf or subtended by a spathe-like bract. You can see this is the inflorescence, that is the cyme, and it is if you see this inflorescence is coming from a spathe-like bract. The flowers are actinomorphic or zygomorphic, bisexual, trimerous, and hypogynous. Perianth is 6 in 2 whorls of 3 each. They are persistent in Tradescantia, whereas withering in Commelina and Rio. The inner 3 are petal-like, united into a slender tube in Cyanotis. Androecium is 6 stamens in 2 whorls, 2 alternate whorls. All the 6 stamens are fertile in Tradescantia, whereas 3 are fertile in Commelina. And it has also been reported that there are 5 fertile stamens in Floscopa. There are 2 stamens fertile in Analemma. Moving on to the gynoecium. Gynoecium consists of 3 carpels which are sometimes bilocular by suppression. The placentation is axile with 1 to many ovules being situated in each locus. The style is terminal and stigma is capitate. Stigma capitate meaning the stigma will be cap-like structure, a small cap-like structure you'll see. Fruit is a locucidal capsule or sometimes a nut. Moving on to the floral formula, these flowers are bracted. So this is the bracts. We denote bracted like this. They are zygomorphic. They are bisexual. Perianth is 3 plus 3. You can see 1, 2 and 3. And the inner wall 1, 2 and 3. Androecium is 3 plus 3. That means these are the fertile stamens. 3 and 3 are the staminodes. Gynoecium is superior and it is tricarpillary. This gynoecium is fused. Distribution of this plant. This is a very small family of monocotyledons containing only 30 genera and mostly in tropical and subtropical region. You can see that this is the Tradescantia plant, this is the Cyanotis plant, and the third is the Zebrina plant. Mostly these plants are ornamental in various gardens. The leaves of Commelina bengalensis, that is Concova, Commelina diffusa, both are edible and made into pakoras by adding little gram flour. The plant is used in medicine as a laxative and also for leprosy treatment. The roots of Cyanotis and Tradescantia are used for expelling worms in cattle. Rio discolor and Zebrina pendula are garden ornaments. These are some of the references which you can refer for your family Commelinaceae. Thank you.